In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Judge Me reviews to Google Shopping Merchant Center. By the end, you'll have a clean auto-updating reviews feed ready for Google to pull in ratings and show those eye-catching stars on your shopping listings. First, make sure you meet the prerequisite. Have at least 50 verified product reviews. This threshold matters because Google typically requires a meaningful volume of authentic feedback before it will display ratings on shopping results. Verified reviews are those tied to real orders. So aim for legitimate, high-quality feedback rather than quick quantity. Now, head into your Shopify admin and open your apps. Find the Judge Me Reviews app and open it. Inside Judge Me, go to Settings, then Google and SEO, and choose Google Shopping. Click Manage in that section. Here, select Generate the product review feed, then save your changes. This tells Judge Me to produce a dedicated file that Google can read. After saving Judge Me will generate an XML review feed URL. Think of this as a live link to your reviews data. Copy that URL and store it privately. Don't share it publicly since it exposes structured information about your store's reviews. A key benefit of this setup is that the feed auto-updates as new verified reviews come in. The file refreshes on its own, so you don't need to regenerate anything manually. Before connecting it to Google, do a quick health check. Make sure your Judge Me app is up to date, so you are using the latest feed format. Then verify your Shopify product data. Product IDs, SKUs, and GETINs should be consistent and accurate because Google uses these identifiers to match each review to the correct product. A GETIN is a global trade item number like a UPC or yen, and supplying the right one greatly improves matching. If you don't see the feed option in Judge Me, double-check that you are in Settings, then Google and SEO. Then Google Shopping and that you clicked Manage within that area. With the XML feed URL ready, use it in your Google Merchant Center account to connect ratings. You'll paste this URL where Merchant Center asks for a product ratings feed. Once Google fetches and processes the file, eligible shopping listings can start showing review stars, which can boost click-through rates and shopper trust. Allow some time for Google to crawl and approve the feed. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.